Hey everybody. So today, during any of that, all that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start that over. Love you, Becca. Hey everybody. So today is cleanup day. It's the first day in the last couple weeks that it either hasn't been super windy or rainy or I've been working or something like that. So it's the perfect day today for me to get outside and do some cleaning. We had a major windstorm here a week or so ago.
The trampoline was sailing across the back field, coming at me.
If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it down in the description, so check it out. But this happened during that windstorm, as well as a whole bunch of other tree branches falling down and that kind of thing. And I have a burn pile behind me that I've been waiting to burn for a while. So we're gonna get that thing started and we're gonna clean up the yard and we're gonna cut this tree down here. And it's just really time to take care of some of this stuff. Well, first I need to get this fire started, and we're gonna do it the easy way with my propane torch. This has been sitting here for several months, so it might be really wet, might be really hard to burn. Let's find out. Well, I think it's dry enough. That's already really hot. All right, well, I've got a lot of other stuff to bring over, so let's get to work. This pile right here has been here since before we got back from RVing, so I think it's overdue time to be doing some burning. Whoa! Okay, fire is going very well. I've got the old branches and old piles and stuff cleaned up, so I'm gonna go start cutting apart that tree over there. That was fun. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for now. I'm gonna drag all these over and get them burned up. So unfortunately we did lose one of our trees in our orchard in this windstorm, but the funny thing is that this particular tree has never once produced any fruit since we've been here. It was sick with some kind of a disease. We were talking about cutting it down this past summer anyways and never got around to it. So it took care of itself. that's a good workout. Well, that about does it. That's the whole tree. Everything is cleaned up. I'm probably gonna help this a little bit, help it burn a little bit better. It feels good to get that done. That's been something that I've been watching every single day as I drive past my house. So, and it feels really good to be out here and do some manly stuff for a while. While that burns down for a little bit, I am gonna go and untie our play place that we tied down a few weeks ago when we had that nasty windstorm.
I am the physical anchor of my playground right now. Oh my gosh! If this were a game of tug of war, you'd be losing.
My neighbor is the most amazing neighbor in the world and came over and saved us with one of his ropes because of all the things that I should have, I don't have any rope. So I couldn't tie this thing down. The only thing that I had was my old wakeboard rope, which is super stretchy and wasn't working at all. So he came over and tied it down for us, and it's time to give it back. Hopefully it doesn't get windy again anytime soon. Stay out. Stay. Dixie. Out. All right. Well, I finally finished out there. It is dark out. It's dawn in the morning. Really? Now it's time to come back into the mayhem and make some dinner. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's, and we will see you tomorrow. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you again for being part of the FFP family. Talk to you later.